All right, Monday Model Live, July 1, 2024. Let's go for some practice. Thanks for the shout out in the video, Toby, as well. It was good to have my name at the top there until QWERTY came in a day later, and no one's beating that time. Anyway, let's go on the challenge.
And as this print shows up on the screen, let me flip over the full screen, make sure that we can see everything. This looks pretty good. Here we go. This first Model Monday Live Challenge, first challenge of July, begins in 3, 2, 1, go! Happy 4th of July, everybody!
Rocket.
This I don't know what it is. Thursday is our Independence Day. We celebrate the anniversary of the United States declaring independence from England, and on 4th of July we take off a lot of rockets and fireworks to celebrate. And so this is your challenge today. Exciting, yes, Philip, very exciting. So Striker says, nice model, good luck everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And this model here you can see is representing some type of rocket. It is in inch, pound, seconds. The material is ABS. It's the closest I had to cardboard and gunpowder. So ABS. And you can see that the density of ABS is listed there, 1020 kilograms per cubic meter. This is a tier 3 complexity. Probably the most complex part of all this is just recognizing that dimension in the lower left. The bottom of the thing, which is tangent to the that base dimension, that 2.0 dimension, that 12 dimension. The bottom of the fin has a radius of 1.25, and the dimension to that, the center of that radius is 2.250. The radius is 0.125. So that's the key one.
Okay.
If you miss that one, you're gonna be you're gonna be in a little bit.
You're gonna be in trouble. Good one.
So check it out, check it out. ABS, absolute ballistic system.
Why does this thing 1.5?
Agree. That's gonna, like I said, that's gonna be the trickiest part for you. There's also, I think, an extra centerline symmetry. I went a little crazy with my centerline symmetric symbols on this one. Threw an extra one, bonus one for all of you. But good luck. What your goal is right now is to take a screen capture of this print. Make sure that you've got it on a second monitor so you can keep working, because we are going to move on with the presentation. But it's a kind of a fun model. It's actually not super difficult. Only a tier 3 model.
Only tier 3.
We based our tiers on the complexity of the model, not the difficulty of the model. And the complexity is determined by the number of features a regular person would use to create the model. Sometimes you see these people on the message boards that are like, I can do the whole thing in one feature. We're not talking about that. We're talking about like a regular person. How many features would a regular person use? And you wouldn't need that many to create this model. It's pretty straightforward model. All right, guys, good luck on this one. Philip Park says, good luck, guys. Good luck. Indeed. Vegas Bald says, cone is not a phallus. That would make Jeff Bezos sad. Yes, I agree. That would probably make him sad. Although, I don't know how sad he can be. When you make that much money,
he's not sad.
It's tough to stay sad. Alrighty, let's go on with this presentation. Don't forget, guys, support the channel. Support the channel, support the channel. We always gotta support the channel. We gotta keep this channel growing if we want to keep having fun episodes of Model Monday Live. We want everything to continue the way it's been going. We definitely need some support. It's not easy. Guys, start your own business. Trying to keep everything afloat is not easy, but you guys make it easier when you support the channel, and one way you can do that is to like and subscribe the channel, share and reshare. So let your coworkers know, what we're doing. Hit that like button. Looks like we got 31 people watching right now. 31 people on this beautiful Monday. And it looks like we got 9 likes. That's not good. We want that to be 31 likes. So make sure that you hit that like button. Let's try and get that watch ratio to like ratio.
Oh yeah, that's a mistake there.
And as people are dropping out, hopefully the like ratio will actually be higher than the live viewer ratio. Don't forget, your challenge every week is to walk up to a coworker and whisper in.
Is that right?
Hey, have you heard of TTT.com? Really cool website.
Looks pretty good.
Practice your 3D CAD skills. Lots of ways to watch other people doing 3D CAD. Pick up on some different techniques. Learn how to use the intersect command in a weird way that maybe you hadn't thought of before.
QWERTY.
This is your challenge each week. Walk up to a coworker, whisper in their ear, let them know about Too Tall Toby. You can tell this guy's very excited. He stopped working on marking up his bar graph.
Mm-hmm.
He can learn about the world.
Okay.
Very, very important. Tell everyone. And of course, financial support goes a very, very long way towards helping us to keep the
1.5 where fin touches the body. Tangent.
But the preferred method is tootalltoby.com/donate. And that site is set up to accept a single donation or to accept a recurring donation. So if you feel like you get a lot of value out of this channel, if you look forward to watching it every week, you're getting 4 episodes a month from this channel, plus a bunch of additional practice models and videos, tips and tricks, things like that. If that provides value to you, a great way to support the channel and to help us keep the doors open is to come on over to tootalltoby.com/donate and send some value back. And those recurring contributions are extremely valuable to us. So consider setting up a recurring monthly donation. Just set it and forget it. Whatever maybe it's $500.
Center of
Who knows?
the radius.
To each person. It's a little different to each person. But whatever it is to you, consider visiting us, tootalltoby.com/donate, and setting up a recurring financial support. All right, let's talk about TTT news. You guys notice the chat. There's already been some people inputting their answers.
Oh, Victor. Yeah.
In the chat.
So what am I missing here? I'm missing a...
Pretty quick. Already inputting their answers in the chat. Doesn't mean that they're right. Okay, they're not necessarily correct. It just means they input. Guys, I posted a new SolidWorks video last week. Pretty good one.
I'm missing this one.
This is a question I got in a recent SolidWorks advanced part modeling class. How do people make these finger grips? Whether it's like a grip on a bicycle grip or a handle grip, or in this case like a soap bottle or a water bottle. How do people make these finger grips? It's actually way.
I can't see this dimension, so
you might think
that is what's killing me.
A bunch of guide curves and lofts and sweeps and surfaces and blah blah blah. No, all you really have to do is a delete face and then a fill surface with a constraint curve. It's actually really, really simple, but you have to know how to do it. And this video will show you how to do it in less than 15 minutes. So if you're a SolidWorks user and you want to learn a little bit about how to create these finger grip type things, take a look at that video. It'll definitely help you. And of course, be sure to share and reshare. And if you're learning on-shape, I did post an on-shape tutorial on the on-shape.
0.6, 0.5, 1.25 that's tip.
It's a full
55 at the top, height of 12, 60 degree between them, 1.25 there. I'm missing a key dimension, I don't know what it is.
How to build this entire assembly, and there's even a PDF guidebook included on how to create this project. So if you're looking to learn on-shape, I think it's 75 or 77 minutes long. Great way to get started, full end-to-end project.
I don't know what this dimension is here.
And
that's the one that's killing me.
Ex Machina coming through the chat. Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah, I don't know.
Guys, we also have some training coming up. It's not this class. It's not the advanced SW part design. It's the Toby's tips and tricks class. But if you guys want to take some training, we have some coming up at the end of the month. July 30th, July 31st, I think. That's
so like I've got this at 0.467, but I'm a bit off.
Training. You see there's this available.
This is at 21:46.
July 31st, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m.
46 in chat.
Chat.
But I'm definitely wrong
9 to 3 is usually
because I don't have that little dimension there. I've missed that somewhere. All right, let's see what the answer is.
0.46 pounds. Good job, good job. And we do always have a tolerance on these prints. So
I think this bottom dimension was actually 0 here. So it's a full radius, and that's what I didn't understand. I couldn't see in the drawing that detail. Close enough. My time would have been after Victor, after Aaron.
Within our tolerance.
Not bad. Not bad. Let's see how we go for round 2. Next one. Here we go.
Go. What is the mass of this part? XXX grams. The tolerance is plus or minus 1 gram.
Oh, that quality is really low.
1060 alloy, which has 2700.
Screenshot that again.
We're back to metric.
It's better.
NMGS for a unit system.
Okay.
The model is called Mounting Bracket 2. This is one that comes from the old days. One of the older
Cool.
models. A couple of little changes to the model. We never have our models exactly the same. We always try to put a few little changes on them so that people can't just instant answer with the old answer. But even if you have the old model, some of our users have it directly with consulting models. Even if you have the old model this one up new. Do it right. Do it for the Model Monday Live crew. Do it right. So this model, you can see here, what is the mass of this part in XXX grams? It's a Tier 4 model, slightly more complicated than the previous model. We'll see how many features. Who was it who said they were like a feature minimizer? How many features is it? Matt. It was Matt. Matt in the chat said in SolidWorks in 3 features. Let's see how many. Maybe you do this one in 1 feature. Little Parts is gonna check out some of Ex Machina's. Oh no, check out some of Jern's videos. Jern running build 123D. Very, very interesting program. Everything's done entirely in code. And yet 3D models and output on the tail end. Very, very cool program. Build 123D, check it out. Jern posts a lot of great content. And his links on user boards if you got rid of that now. Visit his YouTube channel and his YouTube meeting there. Alright guys. Keep moving on. Hope that was enough time for you to grab that screenshot. Let's talk about the World Championship. Let's get back to Striker. I had a question about the dates. So dates are posted. Here are the dates. Registration is currently open. Pre-registration is currently open. Registration is going to end next month, August 16th. Registration is going to end. It gives 2 weeks to organize everything. The way this is going to work is we're going to have 16 people on the leaderboard at t.toby.com/tournaments. So go to t.toby.com/tournaments, register here.
What's the full
height? 16 people on this leaderboard. And then we're going to have a bunch of additional people below that. We're going to have our top 16 people. And we're going to reach out to all of them. And we're going to say, this is your date, this is your date, this is your date. There's only 3 dates.
Let's see how we go here. Ads. Keep going.
That you need. So, like, let's say Striker does the tournament.
Let's do the circle first.
This is your date for the round of 16.
Keep playing.
August 30th. This is your date for
that's going 64.
October 4th. And this is your date for the
Now we're going
so can you lock in on all
side profiles.
That you can make it to all 3 of those.
And just those. That section is going. I do need to do that little cut on the top. Let's not forget that.
No mercy. No mercy from the
20?
No, I mean, we'll see if we can maybe swap you with somebody, but we're probably going to say, no. Really what we want you to do is when you register for the tournament, when you submit your video, go into your calendar and mark all these dates. And make sure that all these dates are blocked off. Now, we're only going to need you for 3 of them, but just get ahead of your calendar now so that you know that,
let's do some draft.
And you don't get scheduled for something, back here in August for like September 20th. You want to get booked for that and then find out when you're booking. So
okay.
These are the dates for the tournament.
Didn't I say I only want to do one section? Delete that. There we go.
After August 16th.
Right.
The match on the 30th.
Mirror that, or is it going to mirror the draft? Doesn't want to mirror the draft.
As soon as you confirm, boom, you're locked.
Okay, it's costing me.
If you write back and you say I can't do it, then we're going to go to the next person on that leaderboard. We're going to go to the alternates. Usually the way we do it is we take the alternate batch of 4, and then it's like first person to reply gets the spot. So like we've got 16 people. Let's say there's 20 people. We'll
2 bits at the top.
We'll email all of them, and we'll say, hey, you want to be in the tournament still? Can you make it on these 4 days?
These bits are 33. And then let's just do another sketch here.
So that's how the alternate system works for the tournament. So make sure that even if you're not in the top 16, don't give up hope. Every year there's a couple of people who can't make it. And last year, Chris Buerckner, we talked about Chris Buerckner earlier, here he is on the leaderboard.
That's right.
He wasn't even in the top 16. And he ended up making it all the way to 4th, winning a really nice prize package. Forget in 4th place, or as Aaron C. would call it, 3rd place. Nice prize package for that. Don't give up hope.
What's the flat dimension here? Missing a dimension. Mate, can't see it.
These are the parts you have to model, and you have to get the mass correct. You have to show the mass on the screen.
Like it looks.
Sometimes I give people a little bit of slack depending on where they're in. I'm a little bit more of a stickler at the higher level where you are. So, all right, guys. That's it. That's it for now. Don't forget, like, subscribe, register.
Oh, I've got to cut material out. Shit.
Let's get into a lot
Not doing well on this one.
So the model we're going to do now is going to be this one here, this 323.
Do I have to cut material? Have I gone the wrong way?
We're going to model this up in SolidWorks. So
No.
to be a part of this tournament, you're going to go to choose.toby.com. You're going to make sure that you have a user account. You're going to go into your profile.
Oh man, I'm really lost on this one. Fuck.
So I
have not done well.
For this run. That is correct. And then you're going to go to tournaments, tournament page, register here. And then down here,
because that's supposed to cut off the top there, but it's well low compared to that.
So here's the 1, 2, 3 drawings. A lot of times what I do is I click on it and
I think I've really stuffed it.
to a different tab of the browser. So I've got now the drawing 1, drawing 2, drawing 3, Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2, Q3. So I got all these drawings here, and I move that over to my second screen. And then once I move that over to my second screen, now I'm ready to start computing. So you click this button here.
I've got the slot size and everything, but this bit here is not right.
While you're making your run. So I know that takes away a little bit from your screen, but it's how we make sure that everybody's on the same page.
It's this 4.
You set up your screen to look something like this. You pad system on one side.
That dimension is wrong. That's killing me there.
The reason I say just about ready to begin is because now you get to go through and you get to look at the models and you get to come up with a strategy for each of these models.
Okay, that's a bit better now.
I showed you how to model up this part, and then I made a standalone video of it. Also got a standalone video.
Still doesn't quite look right.
So I showed how to model up that one in SolidWorks. So now we can focus on this model here, the sheet metal bracket. Now, it says default wall thickness 3 millimeters, default bend radius 5 millimeters. Note, can be modeled using SolidWorks sheet metal features and or can be modeled using standard features. So you can model this thing either way. If you're not really comfortable with sheet metal, you can certainly model
It's
it.
just to go across here.
But there are going to be sheet metal challenges.
There we go, that's better.
This only has a bend in one direction, essentially. That's why you can really easily do this as a pin feature. But if there was another flange,
It's not. It is a rectangle, which is 44 by 14, 5 mil corners, and that cut goes through. Yeah, like that. Alright, 3337. Done. Time at 50:55. At 50 in chat, very, very slow. Disappointing. Aaron was at 48:40, so 2 minutes behind. Just behind Victor, but he was pretty slow. Oof. Alright, let's hang around for the answers.
Regular co-commentator, none other than Aaron C. in the chat, coming in with 3. Oh wait, let's confirm this quickly.
337. Nice work. Much better this one. A little bit slow, but good practice again. Thank you, Toby, for the shout outs. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the tournament in a couple of months. Let's keep practicing until then. I'll keep coming back for these Monday Model Live replays. All right. Catch you next time.